Everyone is talking about agility, innovation, new thinking, and so on. The problem, however, is that the value of experience is generally overestimated, and the value of inexperience, on the other hand, is underestimated. Because inexperience has some advantages. The most important, a fresh, unbiased view, not being burdened by day-to-day business and traditional industry dogmas and assumptions. The longer we've been doing something, the more urgently we need to keep questioning our habits and assumptions. Wieden Kennedy is one of the largest advertising agencies in the world. They also created one of the most famous advertising slogans in the world: Nike's "Just Do It." At Wieden Kennedy, they understand the value of fresh thinking. One of the first things that you see when you visit their London office is a mannequin that has a blender instead of a head. And this mannequin carries a briefcase with the words, "Walk in stupid" every morning. This message represents a core belief of the company. To cultivate fresh thinking, people must challenge their assumptions and beliefs every single day. Every morning, the mannequin reminds employees that the sure path to demise is to assume that what you did last time will work the same way next time. Walk in stupid every morning. It is not an encouragement to be stupid, because it is not stupid to recognize that we don't have all the answers and that even the most experienced employees don't necessarily have the best answers. Fresh and good ideas often come from those who look at something unbiased by experience, or from those who look at it from a different perspective. At Wieden Kennedy, for example, walk in stupid every morning is put into practice when staffing customer projects. In most agencies, those employees who already have extensive experience in the industry are assigned to a customer project. At Wieden Kennedy, this idea is turned on its head. Those who don't already have a lot of experience in the industry, they are intentionally selected when putting together teams. That's bold, because I'm pretty sure that many customers don't understand and don't value that. How else can this approach be implemented? Well, I have 4 suggestions. First, give young people a seat at the table, because they have a huge advantage. They don't have to unlearn as much as the old hands. Second, in addition to people with experience in the industry, deliberately hire people who have experience in other industries and areas. 3, search specifically for people who not only have streamlined CVs, but also have experience in different fields, people who colored outside the lines. And 4th, institutionalize the disruption of business as usual. What could be the equivalent of the mannequin with the walk-in stupid briefcase for your business?